you dreaming of living by the new Wild Oaks Town Center in Northwest Orlando? I have got an incredible multi-generational home with its own garage apartment. Let's take a look. This particular home features a gorgeous open floor plan. This is a great example of neutral colors, just a little bit more masculine than what we've been seeing. And also you're gonna love the colonnade that takes you to a detached garage with a rear entry. So you get to enjoy your porch, and on top of your garage is its own apartment with a living room, a nice master bedroom, and also its own master suite bathroom. Can't wait to show you. Come on up with me and let's explore the second floor. This is a massive master bedroom, and again, all the bedrooms on this one are on the second floor, and it has that incredible apartment. And you get a view outside over here with your gorgeous master plan bathroom. I am digging this tub. This particular builder has lots of luxury upgrades. So you've got 2 additional bedrooms up here. Again, this has 3 bathrooms, and all of the bedrooms are super spacious. I rarely film laundry rooms, but this one is a great example of an upstairs laundry that has an attitude. You want this in your house. Lost in these homes, and I did say that all the bedrooms are upstairs. This one actually has what could be a wonderful mother-in-law suite downstairs for guests, because you have your bathroom over here. Plus, you can still have the garage apartment option. Press subscribe and say the word, comment the word guide to get our free guide on all the hottest 55 plus sexy cool communities and the multi-generational friendly communities you can be by the ones you love. Discover having your own private colonnade that takes you to your garage apartment. So this is a true apartment, guys. Let me show you. You have your living room here. You have a full kitchen. Guys, there are apartments that have tinier kitchens than this. You know what I'm talking about. And then come on over here. here, you have more of a private area where you get into your master bedroom. And your master suite bathroom. They did not pull out, and they pull out all the stops for this, guys. So this looks like something you're interested in, your own home with garage. Click below. So guys, if you're looking for multi-generational living or just having that apartment above your detached garage for ultra privacy, go ahead and click MultiGen below. We will send you a guide. We will send you properties like this. And don't forget to sign up for your free VIP Zoom session with us so that we can guide you and create a custom plan just for you. See you on the next video.